Hey there! Tired of your phone's battery running out too quickly? In this video, I'll show you how to enable battery saver mode on your Android phone to make your battery last longer. Let's get started. First, go to the Settings app. Next, scroll down and look for the option labeled Battery or Battery and Device Care. Depending on your phone, it might be slightly different. Once you're in the battery settings, tap on Battery Saver or Power Saving mode. Toggle the switch to turn it on. And that's it. You've successfully activated Battery Saver mode. To stop Power Saving mode, locate the icon in the top left corner of your screen. Tap it. After tapping, your phone should return to normal operation, and the power saving mode icon will disappear. And there you have it! Now your phone's battery will last much longer when you need it the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick Android tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.